Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about text function. Text function enables the user to change the format of mentioned value. So this function consists of two functional arguments equivalent to text. First one is value and second one is format text. Value represents to input which is provided by the user. Coming to format text means in which format user wants to convert the input. Click on cancel. So let's get started with today's function equivalent to today. So I am going to extract last 2 digits of year number. Here I mentioned today as value. Coming to format text, I mentioned only single Y. Even though I have mentioned single Y, application returns 2-digit number of year number. In column D, I am mentioning formula text. In the cell of D2, I am going to extract the formula which I have mentioned in C2 cell by using formula text function. Here, as today's date consists of single digit against month and date, going forward I am using December 31st, 2022 for further examples. As I want to work with 2-digit numbers, I am doing these changes. So here I am mentioning December 31st, 2022. Instead of today's function, here I am considering a reference. Next I am using Y 2 times. So application returns same output, even though I have mentioned Y single time or 2 times. Next I am using Y 3 times. So here application returned complete year number. This time I mentioned Y 4 times. In this scenario also application returned complete year number. Next I am going to work with month. Here I mentioned M single time, application returned month number. Even though month number consists of 2 digits, application returns complete number whenever we use M single time. Next I am using M 2 times. In both scenarios, application returns unique output. This time I have mentioned M 3 times. So application returned abbreviated form of month name. So now I have used M 4 times. Here application returned full form of month name. Now I am going to work with date. Here date represents to 31st. In this scenario, I have mentioned D single time, but application returned complete date. Next I mentioned D 2 times. In this scenario also, application returned same output. Now I have mentioned D 3 times. Here application returned abbreviated form of day name. Here I am going to mention the D 4 times. In this scenario, application returned full form of day name. Now here I have used month and year combination, so it returned the output in such a way. Here I have formatted the date in form of MMDDYY. Now let us combine month name with day and day name. Here I am using M 4 times. Thereafter I am using D 2 times. Next I am using D 4 times. Double quotes. Close the bracket. Now let us see the output. In this way we can format the date by using text function based on the requirement of the user. We can extract the same output by using now function also, equivalent to now. In addition to date, now function returns hours and minutes also. Let us see how to extract the month and year by using now function. Now let us see how to extract the hours and minutes by using now function. Now let us see how to extract hours, minutes and seconds by using now function. And the last one is how to extract complete form of now function. Here I am using MM, DD, Y 4 times. Thereafter I have mentioned hours, minutes and seconds. So in this way we can format the dates by using text function based on the requirement of the user. If you like this content, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.